Hello gorgeous, my name is Jen. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I want to give you my first impressions of two items that I got from the new Sisley collection. So if you want to know what they are, keep on watching. Before we start, I want to go through the samples that came with my order. In case that you want to know or see a review on any of these items, I will be doing that on my Instagram. So if you're curious, you're welcome to follow me there. The first one is the eye contour. It comes in a very nice size. This is most likely more than one use for sure. Then I got the anti-aging hydration booster. I'm very excited about this one. And then the intense anti-aging hydration. Looks like this. Followed by a cleansing milk with white lily for all skin types. And this I am very excited about is the Buff and Wash facial gel, followed by a black rose skin infusion cream plumping and radiance. And last but not least is the black rose precious face oil. And it looks like this. If you want to see how any of this works or my thoughts, I see you on my Instagram. I have a blush and a lipstick, and they are both from the Phyto Rouge line. To start, we have the classic packaging from Sisley. The blush is number 3 in coral. It looks like this. As you can see, a lot of product came out, and I assume that it's very pigmented, although this is the first time that I tried this line. I only have another blush from Sisley, so let's see how it looks. Let's see. So I can see that it's very subtle. The color is there, but it's not too intense, which is great for an everyday look or if you just want the no makeup look. So let's try one more time to see if it gets a little more intense. But as you can see, I can tell that I have definitely a coral color here and nothing here. I picked up a little more. And there you go. Yep, the color is definitely there. And what I'll do is that I'm gonna flip the brush to this side that has no product and blend. It's very pretty. Okay, let's see on this side with what I have left. Not patchy at all. It's very easy to blend. So for now, I'm gonna leave it like this, just to make a very soft blush look, not too intense. But I think that as of right now, I can say that this is buildable, really buildable if you really want that kick of blush. But for now, I think it looks beautiful. I picked this color because I saw the reviews of the other ones and I wanted to get one that looked very kind of like in the golden tones, but it turned out that it was more of a blush topper for my taste. And I wanted something that actually would show the color through a little more and that I can intensify if I want. Because I use blush not only for my cheeks but also for my eyes when I want a very monochromatic look and a very simple natural look. I can use blush or bronzer on my eyelids instead of any eyeshadow, and I think this would be perfect for the summer and the spring. For the lipstick, I picked number 23 Rose Deli. It comes in the classic packaging. This is a magnetic top, which is great because if you put it in your purse, it's not gonna go anywhere. And it looks like this inside. It's a beautiful lipstick. So now let's see how it looks on the lips. And this is the lipstick. I think this is the perfect color for the springtime and also summer. It's just as creamy as the other shades that I have, and they feel very comfortable on the lips. And this is the video for today. I know today was a little short, but I really wanted to show you how the blush and lipstick perform on my lips and how it performs with this foundation. I will have all the information in the description box below on where you can find the lipstick and the blush and also the foundation that I'm wearing today. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more content like this, where I review high-end products and give you first impressions as well, feel free to follow me here. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you like to see more pictures and written reviews of these type of products, feel free to follow me on my Instagram. And this is all for today. And I will see you in the next video, or on what in my skin, on my skin, on my skin. All you have to